Weekend. We are looking at a nicer weekend settling in after we had that rainy weather early this morning, and last night we had the storms and the showers. Well, they are winding down. Here's a current look at what's happening across the area. Some spotty light little showers maybe still in our river parishes, but this is coming to an end. I think we'll trend mostly dry the rest of your Friday, but it is kind of cool and cloudy. But there are some little breaks in the clouds over the city right now. Temperatures in the upper 50s and lower 60s, so we stay a little chilly the rest of tonight. But fortunately, mostly dry, and we head into a mainly dry weekend as the system pulls away and heads towards the Ohio Valley, takes away the showers, and we'll see those little sprinkles winding down. So you could see maybe a few sprinkles over the next few hours. That's about it as some slightly drier air works into our area. So you hear on our water vapor imagery here, that orangey color, kind of seeing that drier air working into our region. And that will help to eliminate rain chances a bit this weekend. They're not going to be zero, but we should be mostly dry, not only tonight, but Saturday and Sunday. So as for the rest of your Friday, cloudy skies expected. We can see some foggy spots developing late tonight, lasting through early Saturday morning. So make sure you're driving carefully, and temperatures will stay in the 50s through tomorrow morning. This weekend warms up. We do have a low chance for a few stray showers around Saturday and Sunday afternoons, but overall not expecting much, only about a 20% chance both days. And our afternoons actually see a warm up. We'll be in the lower 70s as we head into Saturday, and then the upper 70s heading into Sunday. So we do kind of have a warm up on the way, staying in the upper 70s early in the week, and then we stay also back to the upper 70s later in the week. We only see this dip in temperatures to the low 70s Tuesday because our rain chances go way up then, which we'll talk about in a few moments. But overall, we're getting into this kind of warm and humid pattern that lasts until next Friday. So heading into the next several days, fortunately, the weekend, we keep the rain chances low, mostly dry Saturday, Sunday, but they go way up Monday, Tuesday, drop back down Wednesday, and increase again Thursday, Friday. So we do have rounds of rain coming in, especially later Monday into early Tuesday. So as we get into your weekend, mostly dry weather expected. Could see a few showers overnight early tomorrow morning on the South Shore and closer to the coast. That's really about it. I think most of us see nothing tomorrow, maybe a spot shower in the afternoon. And then Sunday, much of the same. We could start with some morning fog tomorrow morning and again Sunday morning, and then Sunday mostly dry, maybe a couple stray showers during the day, but overall not expecting much. That all changes early in the week. This is Monday. The upper pattern starts to get more active. More moisture flows in from the Gulf. We see a lot more rain coming in later Monday into early Tuesday. This is Tuesday morning. Timing with this can still change up a bit because it's still a few days away, so make sure you are checking back. But right now, the heavy rain looks to arrive early Tuesday morning. So as the model kind of adjusts in the next few days, the timing of this could still change up a bit. But right now, Tuesday looks like our best bet to see that heavy rain that could lead to some isolated flooding. Wednesday, we take a brief break from any showers. We should be mostly dry during the middle of the week, but then rain chances increase again by Thursday and Friday especially. So rainfall totals between Monday, Tuesday, and then again Thursday, Friday look like anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain. So we could see some high amounts of rain that can lead to some isolated street flooding concerns later Monday, especially early Tuesday with those heavier downpours working in. So our area is highlighted for a marginal risk for flooding rain later Monday into early Tuesday. So we'll be watching for the potential for street flooding as we go into the early part of the week. So here's your 7-day forecast. Every afternoon this week, temperatures are in the 70s, and it's going to feel a little humid, mostly dry and nice this weekend, but rounds of rain come in Monday, Tuesday. We take a break Wednesday with more rain coming in again later in the week.